So before I start this video, I did make a new intro and I'm about to roll it for you guys right now. So that was the intro. I hope you guys liked it. Just let me know what you guys think of it. I did post it on my Instagram before I even posted it on YouTube. So if you guys want like sneak peeks and everything, I do post early on Instagram. So follow me there if you guys want. And let's get back into the video. What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, for one, it's really bright out here. But today we're gonna go ahead and fix the problem with the Mustang. I'm pretty sure it's my fuel pump. But I went ahead and started messing around real quick. Check to see if it was the fuel pump relay, which is right here. It's not that because I just tested it, so we're good there. Now I took my rear seat out so we can get to the fuel pump, and now I have to go ahead, take the rubber part out and get inside the fuel pump. Then we have to take that whole thing out up there, and then take the new fuel pump, which is right there, put it in. Alright, so I unplugged everything. I took the fuel line out, the return fuel system right here, and then the main electric wiring and everything. I unplugged everything. Now we need to go ahead and get the fuel pump out. So let's go ahead and try and do that real quick. Alrighty, so guys, here's my fuel pump. So the black thing right here is what we were switching with the new Walbro 400 right here. I already took everything out real quick. I have to unscrew right here, and then there's another one underneath. Unscrew this, pop this bottom off, and this should slide right back in. We gotta rewire everything, and then we should be good. Alright, so here's basically what we ended up doing. The fuel pump is in here. This didn't fit, so it's a little, the fuel pump was a little bit bigger, so this didn't slide up in there. So what we did was we just sawed, there's like a groove right here, and we put it down there. We put this up here. It was supposed to be right here, but this doesn't go up here. The fuel pump is huge, so we had to, you know, do a little engineering. So we used a zip tie to hold it all together. So another thing we ran into was that it didn't have a return line like this right here. The fuel pump doesn't have one, so we're just gonna leave this out running. It'll just go back into the tank, which is no big deal. But yeah, that's pretty much what we ended up doing. We had to rewire the ground and the power. We had to take it out of the connector, and we just rewired it back into the fuel pump, as you guys can see, and we just stuck it back in there, and that's pretty much it. And then we just gotta put it back in, connect this back inside, and then connect the wires. We gotta put the thing back on here. then we should be ready to go. So let's go and put this back in the Mustang, see if everything works. We got the fuel pump in. I tell you what, this was definitely by far the hardest part. Getting that green ring in is so difficult. It took us like 30 minutes. So this is the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, here we go. Alrighty, moment of truth. Here we go. All the fuel system is on. I hear it. I hear it. I so hear it. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm freaking tired. Alrighty guys, just made it back home. Fuel system works well. It actually, I'm pretty sure I gained a little bit more horsepower and everything because I feel like the fuel pump that I had was like not giving it enough fuel that I needed. But now it feels so much better. Trust me, I know it did a little bit, or I know it's pushing a little bit better because I kind of raced somebody and it was a lot closer of a race. So yeah, car feels so good. It feels strong. There is something I need to fix real quick with the wiring and everything, but that's no big deal. I finished the intro. Just tell me what you guys think of the intro. If you guys have any questions of how I did the fuel pump, this and that, just let me know. If you want more details on it, follow me on Instagram. I'll be more, or DM me on Instagram, and we'll chat on there. And that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Everything's going good. New intro. T-shirts are still available as well. Check it out, JonathanHarder.com. And we got the car running again, so we are all good. We're running. We're back in action, and the fuel system, it's louder. Like you'll be able to hear it. Let me show you guys what I was talking about. So let's turn the key right here. You hear that? It's actually a lot louder than the stock pump. That's gonna wrap up this video, guys. That's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to smash the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the button. And like always, guys, have a great day. Peace.